of Pythagorean theorem. So here we have three triangles: small triangle, medium triangle, and the big triangle. So let's compare first the small triangle and big triangle. Are they similar? As we see here, both of them, they share the angle A. It means that angle A is congruent with the angle A. A reflexive property of equality. Second statement. The triangle ADC, the angle ADC is congruent with the angle ACD, the big triangle here, right angle ACD. And all the right angles are congruent. By the definition of all triangles are congruent. The third, angle ACD is congruent with the angle B. So this is based on the third, so let me write third, angle theorem. And number 4, the small triangle ACD, is similar with the big triangle ABC, and based on the definition of the similar triangles. Number 5, we are comparing now the medium triangle. Are they similar with the big triangle? So now both of them, they share the angle B. It means the angle B is congruent with angle B. So this is a reflexive property of equality. Number 6, the right angle BDC of the medium triangle, so angle BDC is congruent with the angle ACD, and by the definition of all triangles of right angles are congruent. Number 7, angle BCD, so this angle here BCD, so angle BCD is congruent with the angle A, based on the third angle theorem. If two triangles have two angles congruent, then the third angle has to be congruent. So number 8, the medium triangle BCD is similar to the big triangle ABC, based on the definition of the similar triangles. Number 9, because of the small triangle is similar with the big triangle and medium triangle is similar with the big triangle, it means the small triangle and medium triangle are similar to each other. So triangle ACD is similar with the triangle BCD. So each triangle here are similar to each other, and this is based on the transitive property of equality. Number 10. Now in number 10, because all these triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. And what I can say here now, here is this side y divided by a, is equal with the a divided by c. So I am comparing now the sides of the medium triangle and the big triangle, a divided by c. And 10 here, the reason why I'm using here is because similar triangles have proportional sides. Okay, so this is a P, proportional sides. 11. Now YC is equal with a square, and if we are multiplying both sides by AC, it means we come to this statement, yc is equal with the a square, which means we use in a multiplication property of equality. Number 12, now we are comparing the small sides of the small, proportion of the sides of a small triangle and big triangle. And here is a xb, so we have a x divided by b is equal here with a b divided by c. So the side of b divided by c and x divided by b. So, okay, and this is a 12. It means this was based on the similar triangles have a proportional sides. And number 13 now, if we are multiplying both sides by the BC, both sides, then we come here xc is equal with a b squared. And again, this is based on the multiplication property of equality, both sides. And 14, if we are adding step 11 and step 13, so if we are adding a yc plus xc is equal with a square plus b square. And 14, it means adding the step 11 plus step 13. Okay, number 15. Number 15, if we are factoring the left side, so because both of them they have a c, we can write y plus x is equal with a square plus b square. Okay, so this is a 15. And here we are factoring or finding the GCF, the greatest common factor of the left side. And number 16, we want to know what is the y plus x. If we are looking here in the figure, x plus y is equal with c. So all this distance from a to b is equal with c. But here one side a to d is x and here is y. If we are adding both together is equal with c. So and x plus y or y plus x is equal with c. It means the whole is equal with its sides. Okay. And now what do I have? A 17. 17, I have here x plus y is equal to c. So now instead of x plus y, we are substituting with a c, and we have a c times c is equal with a square plus b square. And here we are using a substitution property of equality. And number 18, c times c is a c square, and this is a square plus b square. So in number 18, we are using the powering rule of the left side, or squaring the left side. And finally, we are proving the Pythagorean theorem here.